Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you some tricks that what you can do with fidget spinners. So right here I got a Markiplier fidget spinner. I got this from Amazon. This came all the way from China. Yeah, and it was about, I don't even know how much money it was because I got it for my birthday. So the first trick is bouncing on your thumb. So you go like that. Oh, oh. No! Oops. Next trick is to balance it on your middle finger. So you go like that. Wait, I want to balance it on your pointer finger. That's what I meant, not middle finger. I haven't gotten the hang of this one as well. Now middle finger. I just keep getting so messed up. And the next one is to take the bearings out. Oops. The bearings out. Oh. The middle part fell off. Got one. Two. Oh, again! Stupid middle plastic part falling out. 3. Oh, come out. Then you spin it. And you put your finger through the hole. Like that. Is my finger stuck? No. Then you go like that. So you put your finger through the hole and then you go like that. So thank you all. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Leave a comment saying I subscribed. Sorry, I'm trying to put the bearing back in. And I will love your comment, like it, and maybe even reply to it or pin it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.